of my jacket. Work hard and I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came and you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked out. No Unc real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, Teddy Coop, true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but them niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, tryna steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. Ike me down, I'm with the Barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match and I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, nigga, send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Said I give a fuck by the nigga I never. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. Big G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard and I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came and you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked out. No Unc real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas, old parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots. To the breakdown, we don't talk to cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no, you know I can't settle. Family matters, baby, heavy like metal. All gas, got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, bread force, cause they stack nice. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on, act like. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed if the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on, act like. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard and I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Dogs came and you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know he stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting Curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, then you asked out. No Unc real, how to put the E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast ride?
Remember nights out and sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out